Hi to all the teachers. I would like to share with you the platform that we are using here in St. Michael's. If you have Office 365 installed in your respective devices or your organization have this Office 365, then this is the best time to maximize these resources. Actually, Office 365 offers bundles of softwares. We have here the Outlook and OneDrive. We have here the Microsoft application, the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, the OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Class Notebooks, Wave, Forms, and other applications. Okay, for this demonstration, I will be highlighting the use of Teams, where you can post some announcement and make interaction with your students. Then you can also create assignment, quizzes, and grade the activities submitted by your student. You can also export the record that you have here in this application. To use the Teams app, just select the Teams application. Then you are directed to this page. Okay, you have here the join or create team. Then select this one for you to create your team. Then you have to select this create team. Then you select a team type. Okay, for this we will select class team type. Just select that one. Then you can now name your team type. For example, this is COVID class example. Then you can have here your description of your class and click next. This is the page where you can add your students, okay, by just typing their name, but making sure that your students have already an Office 365 account. Okay, for example, I will select this student, then click add, then this student is already selected. Then for example, you add more student, just okay, then add. And if you want to remove this student, just click on this X button. Okay, since we have already created our class, so this is our working page. As you can see, we have here the post tab where you can post an announcement. Then you have here the files for you to upload your files. Then you can create your class notebook. Okay, and this class notebook can be shared to your students. You can set up here your assignments. Okay, then get started, just get started, and this is the interface of the assignment. You can also have the grades. Okay, so this is the interface of the grades. Later we'll show you so how the grades will be displayed in this working page. Okay, so for the posting of announcement, you can type the name of the students that you want to tag, then everyone can see this, okay, as long as they are a member of this class. For the uploading of the material, okay, you can create your full folder here. You can create your new folder, like that, then type your folder name, for example, module. Okay, then create. Then you can select that one so that when you upload your material, that can be a part of your module folder. Okay, just click on the files. There are two ways on how to upload your material, or you just drag your files here. Just open the folder, okay, then drag the files here. You can also have here the copy link. If you want other student to access this material, then you can have this copy link. Okay, then copy, then you post that into whatever platform that you send this copy so that they can have the access of the material. Okay, then you can download the material. And of course, you can also create your class notebook here. So this is the interface of the class notebook. So we have here the student notebooks, okay, which is serve as a private space for students. And this can be shared to their teachers or to the individual student. They can have their content library here, which can be only read-only space where teachers can share handouts with students, and collaboration space. Then for the posting of assignments, okay, this is the interface of posting the assignment. Okay, to create assignments, you're in your assignment tab, then click on this create button, then select the assignment. Then you can title your assignment. For example, your assignment is programming. Then you have to make an instruction here. So please read the module. Okay, for example. Then the number of points for that assignment, 50 points. Then yeah, this is the due date. Okay, you can set the due date. For example, that's 19/11/59. But if you don't want them to submit or late turn in, okay, for the assignment, all you have to do is just select this edit, click that one, then you have to check the close date so that those late turn-ins are not allowed. Then click it done, then assign this to your students. Okay, this assignment is already posted. Students will be notified. Okay, already sent. Then when you have that one, this is the interface. When they submit the assignment, then you can select, then check the assignment. Okay, so aside from this, you can also create your quiz by going back. Okay, then you may click on this create button, then select the quiz. Then you are now directed to this form application. Then select your new quiz here, then title your quiz. For example, this is a short quiz. Okay, then make the description of your quiz, then add new. So these are the choices. Okay, if your quiz is multiple choice, text, or rating. So we use this multiple choice, for example. So our first question, for example, if you create your question is, okay, computer came from the word, okay, for example, our first choice, compute, circuits, okay, circuits, then you can add option if you want. And among these answers, you can check which among them is the answer, so that automatically, so when the student take the quiz, then it will automatically compute that. Then you can make some points here. Then you can add more questions if you want. Okay, then if you want to enable the multiple answer for these questions, then you can turn on. Okay, this is how you create your quiz. Okay, after creating your quiz, you have to go back, okay, to the themes. Okay, then you are going to assign the quiz by clicking this one, then create quiz. Then you can now select the quiz. Okay, next. So to set up the quiz, you have to type the instruction here. So take a quiz, for example. Then you may assign the quiz by clicking this edit. Then you have to decide, okay, when to post the quiz. For example, we post the quiz on May 19th. Then they can see that by 9 a.m. Then the due date is May 19th. Okay. Then you can, okay, 9:15. Okay. So May 19, 9:15. The closing date is, for example, 9:30. You have to give them time. Okay. Then done. Okay, then schedule that date. So they have 15 minutes to take the quiz. Okay, then you can schedule the quiz. Okay, that's how you create your quiz. Before the grades, I will show you the sample grades of my previous class. So when you click the grade, then you can view the grade that you have given to your students here. Then you can export this to your Excel so that you can transfer to your respective class records and compute the grade. Okay, so this is what the good thing of this Office 365. The students know their score, so this is a practice of transparency. So if you have this platform, I highly recommend to utilize and maximize these resources. Okay, that's all, and thank you for watching.